Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something new. We're gonna change some rear lights. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do and how we're gonna do it. Today we're changing these non-facelift rear lights for these facelift model ones, and I'm gonna show you how. Let's get. So to access the lights, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go on the side here, open this up, take the cluster out, and then you'll see it's gonna be 3 nuts that hold the light. So you need an 8mm to undo them 3. Now remove the light and it's out. Just clean up a little bit if you got the chance. After you've cleaned, take the new one, make sure it's all clean, the seal is on, and put it in place. Tighten the nuts back up, put everything back in. Done. Just follow the same step on the other side. Put that down. Again, 3 nuts, and exactly the same.